For our next example, we again want to always start by labeling the sides. So we first have the hypotenuse, which would be the side with the x, the opposite, which is our side across from our reference angle, or the angle that's given. So since we are given the angle that's 44, the opposite in this case would be the 12. And lastly, the adjacent, which is this remaining side. Now we have nothing on the side with the adjacent, so I can erase that, which leaves me with an O and an H. So since using SOHCAHTOA, since I have an opposite and a hypotenuse, we would have to use sine. So I could say that sine of the angle of 44 equals the opposite is on the top, which in our problem is 12. So I can put a 12 on the top, over the hypotenuse is on the bottom, and the hypotenuse in our problem is x. So over x. Now to solve, we first want to clear the fraction. So you'd multiply both sides by x to get x times sine of 44 equals 12. And then the opposite of multiplying is dividing. So I would divide both sides by sine of 44, which gives us x equals 17.275. And since we're rounding to the nearest tenth, we're going to make it 17.3. So your answer should be C.